Okay, well, anyhow we do, we'll just continue. As you did join me, begin the share. Hello, hello, hello. As una did join me, begin the share. As una, hey, Catherine, now you be first person. This my beautiful sister. As una join me, begin the share. As una join me, begin the share. Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday for every person who don't join me for the video now. Happy Saturday. The only thing if you do for me now, for share the video, get some few topics and we'll talk about. We'll talk about marriage, about relationship. Now about relationship. What if you do for keep your relationship? The things where you fit do for keep your relationship. The things the way if you do for keep your relationship. Nothing that we'll talk on today. And number there for any person where you want call for chipping something. We'll talk about things where if you do for keep your relationship. Many people they don't know how to keep their relationship. Many people they don't know how to keep relationship. For keep relationship, especially when it concerns marriage, especially when it concerns couple life, how you want to keep your relationship is so important. How you want to keep your relationship. So if you come for this video now, you share them. You share them, you like them. Share and like, share and like, share and like. Invite your friends. We get lots for learn. We dey out for learn. Oh, we no man no perfect. I bring my experience out. I bring my time inside marriage out. I talk a lot about my relationship. How I finally succeed for be inside relationship, inside marriage till today. My ups and downs, the bad and the good side, the ugly side of marriage. Because some of una wanna go marry, una they only feel say wanna enter for marriage house, now only good thing they go to happen, now only fine thing they go to happen. No. For inside marriage, you get the good, the bad, the ugly, and at the same time with all relationship then. All relationship here, you get good, the bad, the ugly. How you feel withstand the bad time for your relationship, how you feel withstand the bad time for your marriage, how you feel withstand the bad time. So nothing and that we want to talk on today. Nothing and that we want to talk on because most of the people the way they don't scatter today for their relationship or they don't divorce now because they don't feel withstand the bad time for relationship. Right, they don't feel withstand the bad time for relationship. So if you join this video now, you make sure say you share them. For any person where if you share the video, me go to. We just all we day out now for learn. No person know the way be perfect than the other person. No person know the way he over no pass the other person. No person know the way he over super pass the other person. All we were they out here now because one learn. We learn one or two things. When I pass for any platform, I struggle for pick the positive side of the platform. I go me, I leave the negative side away. Everything for life we get positive and negative side. Now just say some people their negative side don't overcome their positive side. Everything what you do for life, you get negative and positive side. Everything what you do for life, you get negative and positive side. So most of the time, people then they don't allow their negative side to overcome their positive sides. They don't allow their negative side to overcome their positive side. Nobody is perfect. Nobody. But we get lots of people where they try their best. They work towards perfection. Even though nobody be perfect. Hey Jessica, how far? I bet when I don't cancel, when I share, when I like, when I share the video, we get lots for talk today. We get lots of explanation for explain today for lot of the things where they go on, where the way they happen, and how we maintain positive side inside our relationship, how we keep on going with peace inside our home. Those are the things we want to talk on today because plenty people don't know how to keep peace and happiness inside their home. Plenty people they search for peace and happiness from another person. So before we will start this program today, we will make our prayers as usual. Mention 4, how far? I heard the sound your name yesterday. I watched now with video. How did they call the woman name? I don't know how they call this woman. I watch it sound your name for them mention 4. Na Kimbo they call you na Kimbo. I don't know how they call it. I need to watch the program there, but something highlights for the query way that the query say people celebrate but not celebrate. I see where can they justify the laugh. I say get time to justify. Well, Papa God, even when big celebrities are like our Blanche Bella, they be born. Some of us no celebrate them. No man no complain. Cameroon community, I beg. More pray, I beg before we start. If you watch the video, I beg. Make sure say you share them. When I share the video, because we get a lot for talk today. As some people don't talk, say some of us don't go get rest, and that's so God will continue to give you the energy. We will continue for the talk. So far as I still there alive, I go talk and I go always speak the truth. Any man with the truth, the bite it, let me disappear from here. If you know so you don't like the truth, you don't ever be around Bishop Benjamin. Because I go live for speak the truth. No matter how I struggle for paint my color for the community, paint my color for the world, paint my color, work at all sides for social media, and put blame. Oh, that Bishop Benjamin start time. Oh, why any person want stand for saying one talk against what we go on for social media? When I was seeing that my name now go for under V, now Bishop. People they start and they hide under. They say that Bishop Benjamin. When I come outside, when I come over out of fake profile, I can't talk to that Bishop Benjamin. God there. God will there for heaven. Darkness can never overcome light. No matter how you try, it will never overcome light. So when I should don't bother, they still struggle for one paint place where God already clean them. When I fight God, I don't fight Bishop Benjamin. When I still struggle for one paint the place the way God already clean them. God already clean the community. When I struggle for paint them. When I work at all corner, when I see they put, when they find person, or they put some person up where they do bad thing, instead for when I forgot to say no, wrong is wrong. When I they under, no, that Bishop Benjamin, me they find Bishop Benjamin, me they find Bishop. I'm the CEO of Cameroon Career Women Award. I be fight for Cameroonian women. That I need to regret my action. Whether all my videos are still on my platform, because I need to regret any of my action. I get my proof, I get my backings. I don't regret any of them. So if una the one encourage wrong things, because according by una the one back her up because una want paint some person black, when I get plenty work for do, I mean. And I get plenty work for do. But before we continue this, before we come for all these things, then we will make a prayer. Oh, merciful everlasting Father, Father, we thank you for this day of today. Lord, we give you the glory, the honor, the adoration. Father, we thank you for everything that is happening. We thank you, Lord, for this program that you have made us to do. The few people that are here, oh Lord, give them that understanding and that wisdom so that the program, that whatever we're going to say today is going to help them in one way or the other to achieve what they want to achieve in life, in their relationship, whether they are single or they are married. Let this program be a blessing in their life in the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. Okay. Happy birthday to my spiritual father who is of late, Prophet TB Joshua. Happy birthday. Today we get for make it 58 years. But God don't call it. He don't go for go rest. I see a lot of people that talk many different things and for social media, upside down. If person like ye, now one of the things that I learned for Prophet TB Joshua. Even when he be there alive, people criticize it. Even when he die, people they still work and criticize it. Even people who they not even talk when he be there alive, they talk today because they feel say they want to justify themselves in one way or the other. Africans, we don't decide to live a life of lies. We don't decide to live a life of lies. We don't decide to live a life where we see good, we call them bad. We don't decide to live a life where we see white, we call them green. We don't decide to live a life where we see popular, where purple now, we now call and say na yellow. I mean, my inside t-shirt, yes, I wear yellow for all, but my t-shirt na purple. So at the end of the day, now so event for hot box. Now so we don't decide for look live. We need to ever want to talk the truth. With all the good things the way Prophet TB Joshua do on earth, with all the wonderful things the way he do on earth, some people no still see that part. The only thing where they see now for criticize and bring up story, good story, and these Africans, would they ever see person the good? No matter the good, they like me now so. No matter the good what I do am, There are lots of people who go always still live or talk bad about me. There are lots of people who go always still live because they don't already get time for their mindset. So their problem is to bring Bishop Benjamin down. So whether Bishop Benjamin live or he die, they will still get time for their mindset. Just the same like TV Joshua today, where they don't die. The people, some people, then they don't get remorse. They still talk their own stories. And even men of people who call them men of God. Personally, Apostle Johnson, still a man, that one, this one, a noise maker. And this one never talk me about men of God in bed. Now, one of the man of God that way, he get too much pride. And the Bible says, any person where get pride inside him, God know if he live with that person, God don't abandon his sins. He can still be working. Because when God, the one thing people don't understand, when God give you a powers, when God give you powers, he need to take those powers back. You feel still work without it, just like devil. Devil gets some certain powers them. So certain powers and the way devil get them. Even though they talk so yes, God get power past devil, but devil still get so it's certain powers the way it never be taken away. It still function with those powers because it still get those powers. That is life for you. Some of these men of God and the way they get their powers, where they get them from the beginning, when they call them from the beginning. But when money start enter, pride start come, anything start come, Jesus walk away from them. They still function. Some of them I still look and say, no, they still get that powers, they still function. But when God not deal with them anymore. Most of them do so. Most of them. So, for life, we would appreciate good things. Appreciate better things. Appreciate the things, the good side. Look the good side of people and forget about the bad side. Now, why do I want to talk about relationship today? Every one of us who are here now, so all we get bad side. All we. I get my bad side, my picking they call me mommy shout. I get my bad side. My husband at the calmer one, me I be the shout one. I be like to shout. If you see my daughter, if you want to ask something, if you prefer to go for a papa, go ask her, you know, ask me. If you go my husband, because my husband no ask you question, say, Whitney, what you want to do the money, what you want to do the money, what you want to go up, come down, you go to give. But when he can ask me, I must ask question, I must know how the money I must know how the money go up. I must know how the money come down before I give. So it better just shift it go. When you ask the thing, especially when the easy thing, they just shift go. You know, so that site they go give. But if you know say it come for me, oh, you know, so mommy go start asking. Now when they come, say mommy shout. Say, mommy, can somebody not just tell you something you listen? Mommy, must you shout? So now my bad side that where I the work, not be say I be proud of. I the work towards how to change. Because no be nice thing. For the shout for people, no be good thing. I did even try my best because I know say my weak side. The best thing if you do for life. Now for know your weak side, now for know your bad side, now for know not always the one push blame for people. Some of we don't live our life with all time. We the like for push blame for people. All time we the like for push blame for people. All time we the like for push blame for people. Every minute we the like for push blame for people. Sometimes they accept your own mistakes. Sometimes they accept their own things where you do and where you know right. Sometimes not always look and say your own things must be right, your own must be right. No. Not always look and say, oh, we get bad side. But how we feel live happily. Now for accept people their bad side. Correct them in a nice way. Then put some things in. I saw some video where Hotbox do and today talk about president for France, talk about different things, they create different content. And that is what I say. Many people they do research as bloggers. Bloggers are not going to type only for some particular people their head. Do research. A lot of nice things and they out there they feel they talk about. You do research. So I see something. I don't see something don't fly up for social media today. Before I enter into our topic, I want to just talk some few things. I know say this saga na thing where I know be me interested. I need to talk about I feel just come up with one or two things where my eye pass on top, advise my own advice. Like tomorrow we'll talk about love. Because many people don't know the meaning of love. Many people don't know why you get for love somebody or how you feel stay inside love, how you feel be inside relationship. So tomorrow we'll talk about that. We'll get a lot of highlights videos and for bringing her up, and a lot of nice topics and a lot of things we'll be talking about tomorrow. I don't see something don't come up. But then they say one person for Cameroon is struggle for sort out this our social media saga and wait till they go up. But I decide to see. Some people then send her for me. I try to see they comment some of them to comment them because most of these fake profile, the way they always work and insult me left, right, center, I don't block them. So if they comment for some place, I need to see them. Some people they try for screenshots and for me, I discover I say most of the talk say, oh, if they want to do anything, they get for find Bridget Benjamin and Bridget Benjamin that Bridget Meta, Bridget Benjamin go up, Bridget Benjamin come down. I did laugh because when I come on and them, when I need to think before I do something, when I need to think before I talk, when I don't make hatred for somebody don't overshadow una. Hatred don't make you so now. I some people that were even lost for me their destiny helpers there because of hatred. Some of una don't inherit things that will not concern una. Una don't inherit them. One by one, two, you get for faith for understand. I be a public figure, and when you are a public figure, people will stand up and fight for you. It not means that me I must send them, they fight for me. It not means that me I must tell people they say when I go work up this side do this. I go no. Some people know for social media where they love me to a fault. Where it is like a Prophet TV Joshua, I might just quote an example. Somebody like me, I love it to a fault. If I dare with you talk against Prophet TV Joshua, I will leave you. Before step I be the fight, I be the argue. Now when Prophet TV Joshua said the standard talk say where una see and so una jump and pass, una do the una jump and pass. But people then they will allow when they see and they still go fight. Footballer fan don't move knife, chook another fan for field. Now that footballer be sending me go chook that fan. No! A footballer. I remember that story for UK, yeah. Fan they fight, so they move knife for football fee. So now don't answer that player be send that man be go chook the other person knife. No! Now one thing of come on here, they never still get that understanding of fans. We never still get that understanding of people they like people. If because we not be celebrities, we not be public figure, and I still struggle for one fight into being public figure. So now when I work and recruit people, the left right center, then the things say everybody does that. When I work and recruit people, then work and extend people, they mean they can't do two, they not supposed to do them. Then when I think say everybody to do them, no. Some of us, somebody like me, I not be celebrity, but I be a public figure for a very long time before some of them want even appear. So I get people that they like my works. I get people that don't see things the way they do. I get people that don't follow me for the past 4 years on social media. I get a lot of people that they admire what I do for Cameroon community. So it make them they be on their nerves when they see somebody write something rubbish about me somewhere. They want go to fight. And when that thing now they bring all these insults and things and then people who call the generator say Bridget Benjamin. It really funny. Cameroonians when I wake up from when I sleep. It was really like how we're supposed to go write about Davido somewhere. And then Davido a fan they go do under the insult. And then the can talk so no na Davido that the insult people they that Davido don't make profile, na Davido don't do this, na Davido don't get fake profile for here, na Davido don't go right for this, na Davido don't say no get it for do. Cameroonians they wanna grow up. If una they struggle for one being known, una they struggle for one semi people they know una. Una the worker create 7-10 fake profiles and for the worker around because I struggle for being known. Some of us not get that time because we already been known. I'm not been known only for the Cameroon population. I've been known for the Nigerian population. I've been known for the Uganda population. I've been known for the Sierra Leone population. I've been known. That name Bridget Benjamin, people they don't know me physically, but they know my name. And most of them they even know me like not a Cameroonian because of the name where they carry and Bridget Benjamin. That Bridget Benjamin, plenty people they know her like Nigerian. Sometimes when I enter Nigerian population, they think I be a Nigerian. They give me that respect for that name. It's not about being a Cameroonian. So the name already been known. It not be about who they follow me for social media, who not follow me. When I get 2 people or 3 people they watch me. The problem is that my name is well known. And why that way when people they want make their get their views. They decide to use Bridget Benjamin for their headline, Bridget Benjamin for this, because they know say my name be known. It's not about me, my figure, or my physical self. It's about that name. That name Bridget Benjamin don't do a lot. If you go for Google, you type for Amazon, you type for Google, you type for everywhere, you will see the works of Minister Mrs. Bridget Benjamin. It will highlight you, go come up. That name don't be known. That name don't be written by Bella Naija, by how they call this other blogger, what they call it, one of the biggest Nigerian blogger. He don't write about me. So the name be known. It's not about me, physical me, because even the way they write about me, they don't know me physically, but they know that name. They know the name because of my works. I always tell people, they say, sell your works out there, not yourself. Sell your works. I don't want be known. I don't want me be known. I want that name Bridget Benjamin to be known. I want that name because when people they see your works, they go to struggle for find out who be the person. So when they find out who be the person, that's what they will take and know you. Let your work speak for you. The things you do, now it will speak for you. Not you fighting to be known. Not you fighting for people to know that you are a good person, you are this, and no. They are not care. But party pictures are there, they don't call it all kind of names. Did this stop him to do the things he was doing? It not stop him, he still continue to do them. So how they don't come also, it be the keep people, it be the do this, it be the do that. I don't keep people, if you don't die to follow the people, no. So at the end of the day, people will always come up with stories. Even Jesus, when Jesus will become like a man for earth, people still come up with stories. People still say a lot of lies about Jesus Christ. Till today, there are people who are still condemning him. Till today, with me, I want to talk so. The people they know they believe that he ever exists. People they think say all those stories are lie. People, any person they think he own thing, they will if they say if you think him. Now for you now for know whether they think that you want to follow or not. They say wait till you watch him. Now you go make you who you be. Someone will not just be too negative to a fault. Now don't develop hatred to certain people them. Why would I not just notice and say the same people, the way they don't insult and see that the same people they work out for the same people. When you see some person just divert, go for some particular side, it is start insult that same group of people where they don't the plan, where they don't the insult and see. Cameroonians, why can't you just wake up from your sleep and discover the truth about what is happening on social media? Why? Why not just wake up from our sleep? Why is trying to accuse people? I don't have any enemy. The people say they be my enemy, but me I don't get no person I hate them. I don't hate anybody. That's why I don't ever form a clique. I don't ever form a group. People that they form and they target the same people and bring story about the same people. If when I see the one way don't come now to the insult people, I need to see the line up where they go. If they go for the same people, the way she'll be the insulter. The same people. She's not changing. She's not going somewhere else. She's going to the same people. For just tell when I say that the same clique. And I see someone they write and say, Dopez the insult. Dopez insult who? So far as Dopez na my pikin, I will still talk and she's my adopted daughter. So far as it be my pikin, no go insult any person. Dopez has a clash with somebody. And I always Dopez no fit go out of that clash. Go start pick people them. Go just start pick the one accuse you so you don't have fake profile. Like how they crush it all over social media now. Don't person just go pick the fake profile. Just say, oh, now the man don't understand it crush the person. Pick the other fake profile. Just say, oh, now the one don't understand crush the person. I will not even allow that. I will talk for you. Because I know what like to put your life in danger. I know what like me tomorrow they will attack you for someone. I know like tomorrow me they kill you for no good reason. Because this thing they do on social media, so they look at all like joke, like play. But at the end of the day, it's not joke and it's not play. Some people then do it, they will go too far. Some people then do it, they go where they need even talk for the social media, but they don't take their own very far. We got to be careful. Well, and I did today I will talk about relationship. I want to bring a highlight because I don't see some man don't put some man for Cameroon, like very responsible and respectable person when it concerns the Cameroon government, don't put something up and then people then now they want try to justify under. Wrong is wrong. Wrong is wrong. The very Bridget Benjamin they say now be the same they insult, but that way they deal with me, they don't be ever insult any person. So just the fact that God, and I want to say God overlight me. God overlight me. You see how God just exposed everything in the eyes of everybody. So Bridget Benjamin no be ever they talk me they insult people. Because if Bridget Benjamin talk me they insult the time when they be with Bridget Benjamin. How much will people they look at for social media? How much when I look at which money where did they? The things that I get them today, I work hard for get them. It's not about social media. If you work hard, put energy, put effort, don't give up, you will make them for life. You go make them. Mark Zuckerberg one day for Saturday day today, so you know be na say be counter for one, but the one make name true insult. Dangote one day for Saturday day today, so you know one make it no be stand for make name true insulting people. There are a lot of bloggers, man, even talk about Linda Ikeji and the rest. They don't be make name through that. But they be known, Bella Nigeria, they be known. So we really get for be as careful as any other thing. When you want to encourage people, then think. I don't tell everybody where they for the social media say when you enter problems tomorrow, now you want to carry your head. If me I enter problems, whenever I ever agree me any person fight my fight because the strength where God give me, no matter the same strength where God give you. The demons where they attack me, God still give me the strength to withstand that demon. That same strength God no give you. So if I go drag you now bring inside my find that demon will hit you, you die. Then what have I gained? Now why do I not bring another person for fight my fight? Because the strength and the grace in me is different from the strength and grace for you. Your strength and your grace, they're different from my strength and my grace. My strength and my grace no they the same with your own. Now why that I not take another person say can't fight my fight? No, I not do one because my strength and my grace is different from yours. All who are those who they different. So we talk about relationship. How do you cope inside our relationship then? How you cope with your husband or with your wife? What are the attitudes where you persevere, you accept them? If I talk to them, say I get peace inside my marriage house, you know me I say my husband don't get bad attitude, or me say I don't get bad attitude. I get bad attitude. It will get your own bad attitude. It will get your own bad attitude. I get bad attitude, it will get your own bad attitude. Because some attitude, and then let me just quote for example, no, so I always try to bring my own situation inside my house for now forget and understanding. I don't want to talk about other people. I like to bring myself. Oh, my fault, the my fault. As a lotto, I like to talk about myself. Okay, like today morning, I just quote example for what happened my house today morning. We also get an attitude where we need to first go to bed where we no pray, and when we get up we no pray. So this morning, of course, my husband not really define. And I said today not even do life, but at least today they go na some funeral, not even because of the health not do life. So this morning he get up. Normal we will get for do normal prayer. He just do do prayers with me. I know we force it sometimes they for lie, push. We push person. I always tell women they say just be patient. I know we call that moment start vex say, we get for pray together. You don't call just don't come up of bed, pray. No. I still do my normal prayers. I want surprise. The person never enter the kitchen. It's never kitchen. I go downstairs. I say, I feel help, I feel do the thing. Because he cook, he never cook. So I be shocked. He answer me. I don't know me what I do. I don't know which problem with me I get that. No, I just try to explain for you. So how you go react for this type of situation? Even if you be there for my place. I don't want me support and tell me how to react for this type of situation. If you be there for my position this morning. I don't tell you how it be soft. I want to just find out from people that watch me. If you be there for this position this morning, how you go react? Will you be angry? Or you go just vex come you for that kitchen, just going up as so they no one talk for you? Go you back for your bed, go continue your sleep, or go to mind your business, do your own thing you want to do? Or how you go resolve the problem? Fine say get a good health at the moment. Fine say normally the person way in the holiday inside kitchen, especially when it concerns kitchen, you go in kitchen. Fine say then the worst partner say you talk in the didn't answer. So you go try for one find a way to be actually the problem, or you go just leave. Go you back inside your room. Go to continue to do your thing to do, or you just continue to do your thing to do, forget about him. How you go react? I don't want some people then tell me how to react. Princess Mimi Alpha. Amen to fall. Normally talk how you will react. At least we don't be able to learn now. Because sometimes my reaction this morning will be best. Sometimes your own reaction will be best. How you go react? So now the things and that I don't bring one of the answer how the thing be solved this morning until somebody will tell me how will he go react if he meet up, if he find himself for that kind of situation in an early morning inside your house. If you find yourself for that kind of situation for early morning inside your house, how you go react? Man say if your husband give you that cold skin in the morning, or your wife give you that cold skin in the morning, how you go react? When you know deeply say you don't do anything wrong. You know deeply say you don't commit, you don't do anything bad. How you go react? Will you just tell him I'm sorry without knowing anything you don't do bad wrong, just for being peace? Or you want to try to argue, or you want to try to justify your attitudes, or you want to start put blame towards it, or you want what you think so if you do? What you feel so if you do? I just want to know. Even I know you tell me what to hey Paulina farm. Even I know you tell me because now I try to talk about relationship here. Now the little mistake they now would make am when you start bring quarrel inside house. The little mistake they would make am, they will start bring quarrel. If I not be handle am in a matured way, in a professional, in a matured way, or handle am in a clever way. Sometimes for quarrel this morning, but we no quarrel. So I want to know from your own side of view how you for handle am. You for turn cheeky too because you need to answer you that morning. If you just cheeky, you sigh, come out, or how you for handle am. Because now one of the things and that people they always feel say, oh, why the person married, you no get misunderstanding, you no get problems, you no get no problem there. Time and day they even look the person you vex, you ask yourself, say truly, now the person are married, but those thoughts are one of the worst thoughts they will accept and me come and say you're married. No ever regret your relationship. No ever. Even your normal relationship with friends, don't regret it. Not regret that. If things are not go on well. You don't go on where don't regret it. Blame yourself. Don't blame the person. Even if now the person be wrong, we'll learn for the start to blame ourselves when things go wrong. Not they always blame people. We don't always sleep for the blame people then. Not they always blame people. So I still wait for see any answer. No person answer me. Hey Jesus. When I want learn, all we want learn, no. I don't just give something for you now. I don't talk about a situation. I don't talk about a situation this morning where happened for me. I don't want to call any person a situation, my own situation where happened this morning. I don't talk about it. I ask you, say, if you will be for my position, how you go handle the situation? People they get relationship, husband, wife, or married. If now you be there for my position, how you go handle them? Say your husband wake up for morning, or your wife wake up for morning, you know, greet, you just jump out of bed. The next minute, the person when you be for kitchen, you want to see the inside kitchen. The next minute, you want to talk for you, you need the answer. The next, how you go handle the situation? How you handle them? No man tell me how to handle them. They will come up for you. I go tell you the answer for the ending of this video. I go tell you how I handle them. When make her no get problem. When make her even after, now even start explain itself for me why he behaves so that morning. So I will tell you how I handle them. Because most of the times when you get problem inside of my house, it depends how you handle a situation. Especially when you know so you know be wrong. How you handle them, now it be the matter. Because sometimes the day you not be wrong, but the way you want put something, now you can make you be wrong. The way you want talk about some story, now you can make you be wrong. But when truly you were not the wrong person. But now your approach towards that thing, now you make now you can become the wrong person. Their approach. So when you call relationship, what is the thing that you avoid them, when you struggle for avoid them for a relationship? I don't talk about when you consider relationship, you get bad and good. Your husband get bad side them. You two get bad side them. We women they always like for talking that the man be bad, but you two get your own bad side. The man not be 100% bad, but you two not bad. This thing are all we will get bad sides. You know if you talk say, oh, now you be the good person for the marriage. No, the man get his own good side them too. The man get his own things already do. Because if you know get some good side, you know for the day. Before you want struggle for that, my party people just to talk say now only for relationship where honey they become bitter leaf. Honey. After na bitter leaf. The same person way don't when I don't converse. The same person way when I don't get a good time together. Now that same person now we don't turn now. You don't want to see and for your life. You don't even want to hear about see. The worst one everywhere they don't get picking them together. Then you just wake up that develop that hatred, that anger. Where you get anger of unforgiveness, you don't even want to forgive the person. Wait if you push person to that point. Why most of our marriages and today don't get patient? Where the patience therefore in those days don't come out of our marriage? Why our marriages and today don't get patient? Why you don't be patient with your partner? Why you don't tolerate some small things? Because most of the time when you go see couple where they divorce, start ask them. What you actually bring when a divorce, they don't get no better thing for tell you. They don't get no better thing for tell you. Do I go give on? Do I give? You go finally realize and say all the two, nothing was there. Pride. No man who ask for forgiveness. No man who accept say that he be wrong. No man who you where you talk say you where you accept say you be wrong for something. You where you ask for sorry. Not be say you be weak. Yeah, because you get wisdom. And wisdom play a lot in relationship. If you dey now today, inside your marriage or inside your relationship, then you know if ask God for wisdom, that relationship no go work. The greatest gift you can ask God is wisdom, how to handle your relationship. Because I know say when most of una go married, una no be go married and say una want divorce. Una not ever go married now because una want leave the person. Una be go married to una two head, two hand, two everything. But what actually can cause the problem when divorce can enter inside the whole thing. When una decide to become enemy among una self, una decide to una no want see one another. What actually cause the problem? Nothing that I want find out for you today. If you don't believe video, you like and you share them. What actually caused the problem? Yes, all we women. That I said I did love for talk a lot about women. I need to bother about men because I don't know who will get home. Siam, peace inside a house, na a woman the giver. Happiness inside a home, na a woman the giver. All that one I talk and say na man picking a lie. A happy home, na the mommy. The peace inside that house, na the mommy. Everything inside that house, na the mommy. We are women. Now why that we carry man them, men our babies. And the only home where you get happiness and peace that a woman will decide to make herself a neck inside a house, not the head. You decide to mind the way you talk to your husband, you decide to mind the way you talk to your picking them, you decide to mind the way you decide to arrange your mouth, you decide for, because if you not show your husband respect in front of your children, that's what them children will cannot respect the man. No matter which way your husband do, you get the way you will approach it, especially when picking the day. I don't say anger sometimes it make people not get control, but when it concern marriage, relationship, your anger get to be under control. Now, one of the things that you go for the pray every day for God, me God help your anger for be under control. Me get God help your anger for be under control. Most of our relationships they don't spoil today, not just because of that anger will not be under control. I don't just quote example what will happen for my house this morning. And I talk for all one another, but I don't ask some people, they say, if they believe for my situation, how they go handle that problem. I don't ask, I say, when you be meet up for kitchen, you go walk away as if you talk for you no answer, you go just walk away, go fireplace, you know, you quiet. Or you go just continue to do your own things that you want to do. Or you go try for one, go deep for find out what actually be the problem. Or you go just decide, say, okay, I see no one talk for me, I no talk for you the whole today. I'm going to saw some of one day. I see no one talk for me, okay, me too, I don't talk for you, go even Kaka start talk for you to no talk. Then you instead extend the problem. Yes, it will come now, one can start talk for you now, you to tie your own face. You need answer. When they answer, you say, me too, I talk for you the more time, no answer me, that answer you for waiting. Too wrong, so be so. That already work. You did not, that time you give room. I will give opportunity for devil for enter and say I'm married, I start doing unnecessary problems. One of the things I pray every day for God, I say, Papa God, I don't suffer my own problem. Next time I'm married, from my early stage for marriage. Now swear, I don't get that energy and that time for go through those same process. So God help me. I don't want to pass through those same things. Or I'll be passed through, I'll be early married. I don't want to pass through. So now why that I believe say God is struggle for help me now for know how to handle some certain situations. Women, they burden inside our court. Now we will be the referee when it concerns relationship. Now we, no man picking up be referee. Need that thing. That means you don't even know your capacity. You don't know your ability as a woman. You don't know your ability. You don't know your capacity. You don't know your worth. If you know your worth, you know your confidence. You get your ability. You know who you are. Then now you be the referee when it concerns relationship. Not be the man. Any man, any woman, any house where the man be the referee, then something is wrong. Something is wrong somewhere. Then that you, that woman, you never know who you be. The time a man takes his time, go marry you, bring us so you be wife, be all and all. If you don't know, no, so you be all and all. Now only you now have to manage the situation for remember all and all for a life. Now you be the problem, now it matter. How you want to manage the situation for be all and all for a life. Now it matters. Most women, they know, most of we women, they will not know how to manage situation. Most of you will not even know how to try for keep our homes. Yes. Now we be the boss for any house. So now whenever you see some house where you get peace, any house where you get peace, listen to that woman be in control. Any house where you see peace, any marriage where you see peace, nothing that the woman they in control. And then when the woman not there in control, those have to say don't charm the man, a lie. You know, charm the man, like character and attitude keep her in control. Man picking no like woman will be bossy. If you be a boss in your office as a woman, not carry a bossy attitude come for house. When you come up for office, you clip that feather them for boss. As you enter your house, you be housewife. You leave your boss or your teacher attitude or your police, or if it's on commissioner, or if it's on the 7-star, 10-star, or how many star that they give them, I beg. When you don't finish control your boys or they work under you or your workers are under you, that one in your office, immediately you reach for your house. As you come up for that office, not even wait for reach your house. As you come up for that office, jump inside your motor, start the car house, clip your feather then. Take your bossy attitude out. You go now inside your house. The man know one way you don't finish control people because that's where the key some of us women. That's why women the way they get career, women the way they for some high positions. To where the key some of them are because they still carry that bossy attitude from their office. They bring her inside their house. As they get 1,000 people, they walk under them. They feel say all man to inside their house, they are picking them with their husband. Don't join under the 1,000 people. They walk under them. So when they come for house, that they still want to continue with that bossy attitude. A man will take it, after some time he won't take it. Yes. After some time he won't take it. If you want peace for your home, not only you as a woman will bring peace inside house. You want to find peace from the man, you waste your time. Now you will bring peace, now you will make your husband dance to your tune. Now you will make your husband dance to the way you want me things in the different house. Now you. And not be by shouting at the man. Be the neck. When you be the neck, you control the head. That is the secret. That the highest secret that for marriage. No other two secret, no they. Just be the neck inside the house. When you be neck inside the house, now you control the man, left, right, center. The way you control the man, that we can talk say, oh, you don't use charm, oh, you don't charm that man, oh, you don't do that. No. Beauty need to keep a man. A character and attitude keeps a man. Not be beauty. Yes, beauty will attract the man towards you for the beginning. But wait till you finally keep you where the relenting no one go taste like how African man they work at taste. Why they taste na fufu or na granite soup or na egusi soup, I know they understand. They according by they work at taste. But when if you feel say you don't work at taste, they still can't try it only for you. You feel that because now you the sexy the best on bed. No. You feel that because now you cook the best job. No. Your character and your attitude towards him, give him that peace and that joy to be around you. Most of the time, when some man begin, they don't come out, go there, work there, they no one come back for house, and then you will complain. But you need to think about your own side. You need to ask yourself, say, why that man in the car house? You need to ask yourself, say, wait to be actually the problem. Why you need to check yourself? Why you always point finger? Na bad man, na bad man, na bad. Why you start to point your master saying na bad man? That's why you go become bad. It just like a picking. When you just picking a bad picking, that's why you begin to go with this thing inside your head. You go to cause your master say bad man, so that spirit of bad go enter inside you. It start behave bad. It start behave bad. So I struggle for talking for every woman where they out there. If you be a woman, learn get that wisdom how to handle your relationship. How to handle a man. Get that wisdom. Pray me God give you. Child need to solve problem inside marriage. Hala need to solve problem. Control need to solve problem. Behave like a fool. In front of your husband, the people always make like a fool, but now you get sense past all day. No me let's say you want to fight with some person, no. If there's some of them I don't touch small money them. So tell you the end past your husband. One of the mistakes we women they would do now, so the end pass woman now who want to do all for house. That's a big mistake. And the way you do all the things they now, then on top of that become one attitude where most women they get, and I say most men them where you the end pass a man. Just know, put up your head, anytime you talk for that man, it feel. Even if it show, even if it tell you, it feel say you talk for you so now because now you the pay bill. You talk for you so now because now you do this. You talk for you so now because now you do that. So always try your best for leave the man me taking responsibility, no matter how small his salary be, no matter how much way the earn. Always leave you for take a responsibility so that tomorrow when you talk, you know go stand talk so you talk for you so anyhow now because now you do this now you do that. No. Move stop for the take our husband their responsibility. No, they take their responsibility. Leave them for them. Leave their responsibility for them. No, they collect their responsibilities. No, they take them. And then after 9, that's why it will start paying you. So other two I don't see are more for, especially for European, and they can't stay team. I advise every single girl, if man never married, to no stay with you. No do am. Some of you just say no, now for economy, for bills, economy, na lie. No do am. If the man deems you so fit, me married to marry no be only for go make big white wedding. Now what I like white man they come up, papa, mommy, picking, they go do their sign their con married, they fine. Married no be only for say when I go do BB traditional, when I want show who them. So when I go to BB married, then come back no get him for chop. Make the man, the Bible says, when the two families come together in one accord, that is married. Make the man, if he ever like you, at least me pay your bride price. Me send the family, me they go see your family. He pay your bride price. Then you know that time say, okay, now your husband. Some of una woman they don't overput a lot of energy, time, and everything for some men them. Then tomorrow when I say they betray una, slap yourself. If you be one of those women, they may take your hand, so slap yourself, papa. That man no betray you, betray yourself. And not ever vex with a man. Say, Father, I've learned my lesson. And then you move on. Not ever. The man no betray you in any way. Now that anger where someone really grow inside, because we don't fall out for some relationship, we start to put blame for the man, say the man betray you, not betray you. No. Any young girl, I get lots of picking where they talk for them, where they counsel them every day, where they talk for them, they always tell them. No matter what, no go stay with a man. Whether you carry belly for ye, the belly don't come, picking a good thing. But don't stay with that man who never marry you. No do am. No do am. If the man like you enough, bride price not be anything. Some bride price, and so when the price are you pay small, it can't finish. So make the man pay your bride price. Now no must do baby wedding. And any day when I get time, when I go for any church or any place, they bless una. Even now when I too, when I go for normal church service, when I no must go for church service where, and when I no must put white gown, wear this, no. Any church service, any pastor, even if I call for house owner, man, or anyone, he pray for una, bless una, don't bless una. That mistake will do am. If you get a young daughter, if you get a young sister, advise them. Because some of them, they go out, they come out for that relationship with some kind of pain and anger. Where that thing, they affect them all their life. Some of them, they come out of that relationship, so we're going to get different boy. They want to struggle now for take their anger from their last relationship, divert them for the new one. And then they make a lot of stay inside that new relationship. Because when that new person, they want to do anything, they only remember their sacrifice, their time, their pain, where they sacrifice. God, their pain, their time. They don't only remember now they need one submit for the other relationship. So one day they take a certain enter inside that marry house with them. Once a new man that go marry them now, instead for them now for be a submissive wife, they just say no, I blow about work with that other man, and if you work again for the one, so they start be stubborn, their marriage now no last. So no ever pack your things and go stay with a man who never marry you, no do one. Get your pride as a woman. Know who you are. One of the things where I like myself a lot is because I know who I be. I need to be fighting with other girls around my husband. I need to be fighting with other women them around my husband. I need to ever be fighting. I know how me I know. I always tell you, I say, if you like, you leave me today, you see me, I go marry even governor for Nigeria. I'll be a very beautiful woman. I know who I be. I know only beautiful. I know I be hardworking. I know how to take care for a man. I know how to bring peace inside a home. So if you like it, you jump. The day you jump, come on, don't give me 6 more, I go married. You know who you be. No less you don't let the thing say, oh, without that man you will die. Know who you are. No, me no person not tell you otherwise. Me no person not tell you say, oh, tell you say you be this, you be that. No. Some of we, which I don't know that most African women them, their husband don't make it, they don't lost their confidence. Some of una don't allow una men they make una lost una confidence because they insult una inside house, they talk for una anyhow, they talk any rubbish for una. It don't make una don't lost una value, una the things would have been nobody. Stand up as a woman. You are somebody. When I say me you stand up as a woman, I never tell you to go to curse your man. No. Build yourself. Do things. Do different activities. Occupy yourself in many other things. Make the man see. Look, one thing, challenge when you want to challenge your husband. You don't challenge him by saying you're going to argue with C, you quarrel with C. No. If it doesn't be lazy woman, start for do something else. Me is where you go look and not say my woman not be lazy woman. If it doesn't you know some people dress, start for do something. If it cause you say dirty woman, start for clean up. Fix yourself. No only look as oh I don't already married now order. No, you don't marry me so wait. Fix yourself. Even if you say you want to work as tie scarf, like me I like scarves. I like to tie scarves on my head. Tie them in a nice and modern way, make you look beautiful. Not tie them for the way you'll be the name like your mommy. Always make your husband me get that anxiety for say if you know they miss you. No lost your confidence because some man picking the talk rubbish for you. No. Wake up from your sleep. No give that room. No even argue with him. No even give that room inside the talk for you. I don't discuss say most of our women today. And I want you to see we get all the depressed women that the whole social media because they don't allow the situation of their homes for make them be depressed. And then now the only place now that they can now for express their depression on social media. No allow them. No ever. No ever. Occupy yourself. Like person like me, my husband too quiet to afford when you like for the talk. So I occupy myself for different things. Yes. I occupy myself. Yesterday talk to me say when you say I don't come back, he talks I want to do my praise and worship. He say, you wanna you do 3 days to social media. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I say, yes, Papa. I say, me I need come on, you know. You the come out. Me I occupy myself for my house. I be happy. I do my things there. Friday, Saturday and Sunday I need work. So I don't arrange my program for please my fans them. You know, so I be public figure. I explain things there for you. Nobody understand with me. Yes. You know all that's done. Build yourself, make yourself busy, do different things. Do different things. Don't be say quarrel here, quarrel go, quarrel come back, quarrel go your master come on. Instead for you for the struggle for fix your own self, be your own self, struggle for find out what the man to do. No. That time and energy where you get about the find out what the man to do, use them for yourself, educate yourself. Like me, that's when I start classes this week. I do masters for international business. I start classes this week. Improve yourself. Just struggle for do one thing or the other. Don't begin to want to struggle for find out where the man, also the man job, also the man come back. When he come back, will drop your telephone, you fall onto the phone, start take all your time to look at who be sending message, who not sending message. You want to kill yourself. You want to kill yourself. Instead to build up yourself, me the man instead to run for you. Because normally the man picking the run for woman, but no woman the run for man. So build up yourself. Build up yourself. No wake up on the back because your husband they talk rudely for you, you two want to talk rudely for you. Oh, because your husband he take care for your mommy, you two want to take care for your own mommy. Oh, because your husband do so. No, that one he works inside my house. And he works inside my house. Your mother-in-law, your mother-in-law, you get for the way you take care for your mommy, your born mommy. And the same way you take care of your mother-in-law, no matter a character, no matter a attitude, no matter that the mommy don't like you. When somebody don't like you, you show it love. Love overcomes all. No matter how long it takes, people get conscience. But some of when I was saying, oh, mama never ever call my mommy. I call you, oh mommy for waiting. Mommy, you know the work so. You know it works so. Your relationship with your mother-in-law, and your relationship with your mother-in-law. No, the one looked in the most of we don't enter some marriage house and to do the one compare. Oh, you know do this, me to no do am. Oh, you know do that, me to no go do. Oh, you know do no. If your master know the day fine with your sister there, you know give you permission to me, you know they fine with your sister there. Always do your best for your relationship. Say when blame one come off for outside. May not see your side at all. When tomorrow something the one some mistake or some problem the one come up with the one even judge. Me your own side you don't cover am well. Maybe your sister-in-law go say no, I'm a good woman. Maybe your mother-in-law go say no, my picking so no matter what I don't do for you, you know. Yes. You know who can want talk for your mother-in-law anyhow because your master no they talk with your mommy no. Your relationship with your mother-in-law means a lot. Not ever for your life. When I see women there, they talk back to their mother-in-law, I say they be badly brought up. No matter what your husband mommy do you. No matter what you do, if truly you consider that mommy like your mommy, you didn't mind the way you talk for your own mommy. Yes. But mommy they the wrong way. You know me so mommy they the wrong way, they the wrong way. We is the wrong way, own picking them. But they control the way they talk for we. So you know who come carry them? You want to go talk for your mother-in-law? Maltreat your mother-in-law. Talk for your mother-in-law anyhow. No. This life, conscience, they. Conscience. I they always bring this story for my mommy and my big mommy. I don't be like my big mommy, my papa and mommy tired go. I don't be like it because of the way they treat my mommy. I never like me, used to take it work and stick. That's it that I like take it work and still with me there. Because if knows I know that mommy knows I don't like him. Yeah, we know. Because of the way we treat my mommy. But my mommy never ever quarrel for you with it one day. If we reach to the point, where even watch my papa buy them for my mommy, my grandmammy talk say, my papa don't go buy watch for my mommy, my mommy go to come out go work. He go to no time when my papa come back for house, he go won't come back for house. Yeah, oh. My mommy na tell her, mommy be so seamstress. When my mommy so close to my grandmammy like Kabaden so, he go complain. You know one this, he want that. Even if they cook it chop, they cook general chop for house today. So all we chop rice. They can't give. We go complain. Say no one time. He want a day other thing. He no go chop the one. He go chop the my mommy always. She will not complain. He will take that thing back for kitchen. He make it wait till we want that. It's the kind game. It be the vex me because then I small picking. I be look and I say he crazy. But when I don't big now enter inside my house, I understand the wisdom when my mommy be the to am. Now why that be make away? My papa no ever listen anything where my mommy tell you about my mommy. Because he watch and with his clean eyes, he say my mommy never ever get a fault when it concern their relationship. Mommy never ever quarrel with him, no matter what we do. So when it come, one man bring mommy don't cancel it. And my papa you want go carry you fully say want take it go on hospital. I was like carry go live back for village. Because of his character and attitude inside house. But when you know they give that room, you as a woman, you don't want stand, you don't want block a man for me, mommy. Yes, Bible talks that the two shall become one. They want to get for understand and say that mommy be don't be there before you. And boys they get a lot of attached. Man they get a lot of attached towards their mommy. A lot. Now when I see most of them go talk, say, I want marry a woman where they like my mommy. Because of the way they don't get attached, they get more attached. You can, if you marry some man, no, you match with the papa, he no bother. He make her say no siam. He jump and pass. But if you marry some man, you match with the mommy, they want spoil that marriage, especially those mommy's boys them. Where their mommy, that they are all and all. If you want to get peace with such a man, tolerate a mommy, a character and attitude. No matter how the mommy the one frustrates you, show you love. No matter how bitter that mommy dey, show you love. No matter what the mommy the one doing say at my house, not talk say, oh na my house, oh the mommy no get right for do this, mommy no get right for enter my kitchen, mommy no get right. No. If the mommy don't decide that you want to cook chop for a pikin, no bother yourself. When they cook the chop too, oh now when they put it, go join the chop. Not talk say, oh mommy, you don't come from man, no if you cook chop for your pikin. Now you pikin don't cook for that pikin since where the born the pikin. So you don't come holiday for your house. You don't decide that you want to continue to cook for pikin. Leave you go, you no go remain for them forever. Tolerate it for that time. It could go. It will go. But someone will not get that patience. But when I want to stay inside my house, when I don't get that tolerance. But you want to stay for my house. Marry na fine thing, stay inside another one. You don't need to say like picking, born picking and fine thing. Maintain and bring her up, make come on a better person, another one. So when we want married now, always celebrate happy married life, happy married life. Yes, it's good for marriage. When you dey inside the marriage house, how you maintain, how you keep the marriage. Marriage dey like plant where you plant, I go for the water and every time. Me no die off. Me still remain fresh. And what will be the thing that we're going to do for water you're married, me and married remain fresh? What is the thing that you're going to do? Me water you're married, me and married remain fresh. What are the things you do? As a woman, now you get your home. Me no man no fool you. Me no man no tell you for some place say, na your husband get your home. Now this no, now you. Now only you will bring happiness inside your home. No person will bring happiness inside your marriage house. Now only you. And your happiness inside your marriage house, now wait to play your duty as a virtuous woman. Play the role of the neck of that home, not the head. Respect their man. Give it the highest respect you can give them for a man. The biggest respect you can give out there. All the one a pastor, the one that over give them respect. Divert that respect when you give for your pastor, give them for your husband. That respect when you give them for your pastor. When you see daddy, give those respect to your husband and see how peace flow inside your house. Give that respect. Give it the respect. You see how peace flow inside the house. But when I wake up, we don't want to respect the man where he take his time. He go pay your bride price. He bring you inside your house. You don't want to respect him because sometimes you earn more than he, or sometimes because you don't see all about he, or sometimes because you don't decide now for take you and I don't be equal. You fight it up and down. Some of when I immediately when I'm married, the next thing start tell your husband, I know I see you with this friend, I know I see you with the other friend, I know I mean go for their friend house. My dear, you not be police. You didn't interrogate who. Before you want to come for your life, those friends were there. And if that friend they be the misleading, you know, for marry you. As they don't marry you, not be you for tell you. There are things where you go bring enough for attract you. Where you go like to stay more with you than for go stay with that friend them. You use wisdom. You know what we constantly say, no go stay with. Do things, do activities, do a lot of things, making me feel more comfortable for be with you for inside house than for go be with that friend them. Now your duty for do it. Not be by talking. Not by telling you no go for this side, no go for their friend them, no go do this. I know I'm there night work with your friend, I get for stop. That way be there you and that boyfriend before you not be go night worker together with that friend no. All not be go together no. So why now you get for to say me stop? Why? Why? Now all those small things now they start bring problems when I'm married. When me do now why I say the first 5 years for marriage that's not trial period. If you see people that don't overcome that 5, go overcome 10, clap for them. Because that first 5 years, they misunderstanding bad. They misunderstanding war. Because you don't come up for some different house, with some different character, with some different attitude. They don't can join some person with a different heart and different character, different attitude. Then when they want to know each other. Before you want to tell a man that stop to do this, stop to do that, check yourself. Have you stopped your own friends? You, the woman, where you want to tell the man, say, I don't want to see you work out with these friend them. You don't stop your own single friend or your own friend with work out before you want to marry to. You don't stop to their friend them. You don't stop for work out them. Ask yourself that question. Have you stopped? All this thing at time. Your husband will stop for no work out that friend. It depends your attitude and character in the house. The way you arrange your home, the way you make peace inside your house, the type of food you cook for him, the type of things you give, the type of conversation you bring, the type of ideas you come with, the types and types of things for see how when we grow together, it go make it go finally know when to work out with that friend. But what is the key? Most women then today now say you marry a man today, you don't start telling say, they are friend them. So you see they are friend them. I don't want me to work out, they are friend them again. You be who? You married to you no can be an interrogator. Respect a man. Men, they need that respect. Boost a man up. Make him feel as a king. Give him that happiness, that peace, that joy. The Bible says we women, there will be helpers. What the Bible says, we are helpers. When God be create man, it is called say man be so lonely. Now why did he create we from the men their ribs and put we like helpers for the men? So if God don't put you as a helper for a man, what do you get for do? Wait to be your own duty. God not to say you be a controller of a man. God not to say you can't interrogate the man. God not to say you be a FBI for the money back. God not to say as a man can't drop the telephone. You go one time for the telephone. Are you there inside? Hey, some person not call. Sorry. Well, some person call. I miss the call. God not text say. So the person don't call. I don't know why the person will add anything for this call because I'm a phone for this thing that. So God not talk say me you come for inside has one control a man. I beg all we women them. Peace be reign for the world now from us women. Peace be there for inside home now from us women. Joy be there inside your house now from us women. The way you look, the stress, the depression when you go through inside your marriage now because you want to go through. There are things you live to ignore. Can't take your husband the phone, the searcher from January to December will not change anything. Will not change anything. Learn for get a peaceful home. Learn for avoid quarrels. Learn for know the devil it tricks. Like I just want to quote example for on a morning. Two happen inside my house. If I been a person where like quarrel or a person where like where never know the tricks of the enemy, I for quarrel with my husband today. Or I for ignore ye, or I for I just behave some kind, or Mrs. I for go now when he can't talk to me and no answer. No. No be the thing that would do. Yeah. Sometimes the day you talk say you sorry, not because you be wrong. Sometimes the day you talk sorry just because you want peace inside your marriage house. Not because now you be the weaker person. Once of all they talk say like me now today. Like me now today, the whole of UK, everybody know they talk say my husband they were listening for me. Not because say of anything. I work for it. I work hard for it. The way they listen for me today, now so be they listen for me to I married. I work hard for it. He don't do his own test them on me. He don't do his own things them. He don't go up and down. He discover and say no. At the end of the day, I have a good wife. I work hard for it. Now, why the way, if you tell you something for answer, must ask me. Yes, he will ask me. He will ask me, hear my own side of the thing before he answer you. And whether if you ask him for any help, he go ask, he go must can't talk with me. But see whether if he help you or not. Yeah. Now because I build that trust. I build that trust. I work hard for it. So when you be as a woman, what to be your duty inside your married home? Is it only cooking or not only for sex for bed? How you do for bring peace? How you do for make your husband get that respect for people outside and inside? How you do for make the husband get that peace where it should done any place where you should done, you let him for come back for your house? How you do all those things then? Some people they say, last time I asked a question for you. I say, how many women they don't wash their husband, they feed them? No, how many women? No man no answer me. All women they wash my program, no man no answer me. So when I want them to say, oh, when so, when they say when marry house, no man ever should also take it. I want to say, bring activities for the man if you don't want me the worker. Bring activities. If you don't say Saturday evening that day the way you know say I must ever come go work, go meet other a friend them. Bring something interesting at home. Where you go make it go, she don't know come out. Like I talk for you, bring that bowl. Find a bowl, a nice bowl, many pedicure bowls. If you know if you afford them, use normal bucket bowl for house. Put if you know if you afford sea salt and the rest, you put normal soap for inside the bowl. Put it like Saturday evening. Put it like it. I tell you won't wash it for them. Just say no need for you to go manicure, pedicure. You go feed one for you. You should not for floor. That's the best time. See me, I like what should not have a floor. You should not for floor. You put your legs inside warm water. It soak for some time. Then you come now. You find your towel. You put it for ground. Put it onto your laps. And take your one leg. They wash them. They take your time. You wash them. Wash nails and cut and trim. See, you make him has that. Even if you don't begin for talk, just that fact say you do that thing there for you, he could talk. If you begin for do it for 30 minutes, extend and make it 1 hour. Take your time or talk. Slowly but surely you're getting there. You open a discussion, if you get for common, no come again. You don't bring a nice discussion now. You don't. Sometimes I see the worship food so even a person where you know the type of drink where they drink. If you be a person they take alcohol, if a person they take alcohol, if a person where it depends the type of drink. You find them in a wine, you give a glass of wine, put it for you for table. You find any small chewables there because you know so you could take time for that food there for day, you put them for a corner. You put TV, oil, the water. Why you should not have for floor? Yes. You give that company. You give it that company. Those are little things you do for men. They appreciate it. But sometimes they way. That why when some people they just say some woman the charm man. I look at people then whether they normal. For me that thing they exist. The character and attitude of a woman keeps a man. The way you go talk for man. And then when you want back your husband, say me do shopping. Or me help you buy some things and for outside. It depends how you talk for you. It depends. So but when I don't know Jack how to talk for a man for do something for you. No, when I don't know. When some man they work all money they give woman, some people they think say no, the woman don't do miracle na lie. Your character and attitude to attract that man for give all money for you. Yes. Your character and attitude attract the man. Some people they tell when I just say some men they stingy, say no stingy man picking up there for the way concern woman. No one. If a man need to give you, no say they give another woman. If you need give for you, no say another woman the way they chop that money. You get for be wise. When it concern woman, there is no stingy man. I tell you, even God will create men that say that man picking go work, feed woman. Yes. So what you do with some man, you just say that man stingy. No say the gear for some other woman for that side. You have to be wise to collect from a man. You get for use wisdom, not be authority. No people say, oh, you must buy me this. You ain't no buy this, start back. Oh, my better don't pass, you don't buy me this. There are things you do. Man picking will move money for a pocket. Man picking will even dash you all your wealth. Little things they attract them. Men, they be baby. They be picking. They like pampered. They like me to pamper them. They like me to talk softly for them. They like me to make them like say they be some small Jesus. They love that. When you treat them, so then too, they don't say you be the best woman on earth. I don't know, give you. What you want ask her, no give you. What you want ask her. You take your time to do, you prefer to leave your husband, maybe go do manicure, pedicure for some other site. Where he get a woman for us, so if you take your time, do it. Create time. Create discussion time. Create fun time for you and your husband. Create time. Make that love still always stay. If you don't come out, you text you text. So my woman, they might not do me. Why would you only feel say that the man get for must text you, that the man get for must show you, send you love message, that the man no. If you come out, you know text you text. You know they go for what you the high weighty. Now what you the high? Now what you the carry as keeper? Or you don't already marry, you can put as you the high weighty. You don't see nakedness, you don't see your own nakedness with the eye. If you come up for outside, you don't wait 1 hour. You know, text you can send him a nice love message. Just write some nice things send her for you. Not only when nothing that he must write them. No, you need beg anything, no. Because of not I know me and write at me. And me no can piece at the beggy. You don't already married to you, the beggy wait again. You the beggy waiting. Now just for keep your love with him in the flow. That love supposed to be there. If you don't come out, sometimes 1 or 2 things. Okay, like me and my husband will get a rules and regulation for what I say. When 12 midnight, meet any of we out. Because you know sometimes I used to do event them, I used to go party them. We'll get that rules and regulation. When 12 midnight, meet me outside, I must call you. If he midnight, he must call me. Even if he knows I go work the next day, he could send me a nice love text message. For tell me why is they out till 12 or why if he come back by that time. But you know me say if you make mistakes on one day, no send me that message. I go one bother killing. No. Time they do if you should know your friend, they drink, they enjoy yourself. That 12 midnight pass away, you forget. You know me say he hates me. You know me say he no like me. Why not send the message? Because of the mistake and now will make up. No. You know, you used to say if you there for some place, you dance, you the woman to the dance, then you forget to begin for send message for 12 midnight. Little understanding them, it be very important for marriage. Grow up. Women, if you don't enter marriage house, if you want to enter marriage house, prepared. No only go for marriage, say the man go please you. No, you not someone you enter marriage, you go let that man in mommy. You go for start behave as a mommy be the behave for you. You go for know how to take care for you. It be your first speaking. You know, so put up your when you put up soap for your head, you will know what you do. Put up your husband and your first child inside your house before you are picking them. Yes. Now why that when picking don't come in, not always neglect the man, not always carry the man in position gear for picking. No. Most of them now when picking don't come now, they love when I get up on our husband, now they divert and put it on top picking. Not supposed for this so. Not supposed for this so. Take good care of your home. Take good care of your marriage. Take good care of your husband. Marriage is a good thing. Marriage is a beautiful thing. That the person that way for night will not really get a deep conversation. And the person that way you go to make your home the way your husband will come back, explain his stress the way don't get up from work. But some of them don't make una home for the way the man will come back, explain his stress way don't get up for work. Una need one treat it that way. Una need one give you that honor and that respect. Be the Sarahs of in those days. Be the Sarahs where they call their husband Lots. Be that virtuous woman where they inside Bible. Treat your husband with respect and dignity. Our God is a good God. Not in other way God make our way not beautiful. Marriage is a beautiful thing. He who finds a wife finds a beautiful thing. He who finds a wife finds love. He who finds a wife, Bible don't talk her. So why man now go find woman, bring another woman inside can be in a ton of his flesh? You want marry that some of that's why don't change when attitude and be good girl, the one that do boyfriend, girlfriend. Immediately you enter that man in house, pam, you start compare with him. You start compare with his sister then. You start compare with his mommy. No go, no, that's no go area. Now your home, the two shall become one. Comparison, no good for them say your home. You compare it with your man. Someone will not even make list who will work for one man country, the worst one that. Someone will make list who go clean house today, who no clean house, who go wash pan, who no wash pan, who go do, who no do this. Some of when a husband chop, leave the pan, when a start vex. You tie your face long, you mop it jam for that wall. What did they? Pick the plate washer. You know, will kill, you know, will cut your hand there. You know, will change anything from you. Yes. They will fit for carry the plate then go wash them. Fine. I say nothing do am. No bother. Just do am. Just do. No matter how busy way they, your business get for stand inside your house. No matter how busy way they, your works get for stand inside your house. No matter how busy way they, your activities them, everything will be inside your house. Give peace. Nothing not sweet as a peaceful home. Nothing not sweet as a lovely home. Just imagine say if I woke up today all that 2 hours and that drama for morning time, and then me to be woke up make me be a drama. Then that's why I don't get peace. Sometimes I don't be happy. Sometimes it go the vex on side, me to the vex on my own side. They will finally be we need to talk. It go help with that time. And that in those days when man be John married, man to do that foolish way you be a man for house 2 days, 3 days, 4 days when I need to talk. What is the reason? If the man come on go die now, or you go come on go die, when I don't know to talk about it. I beg that time there. Where they for? Some of us don't be get people will advise we. At least social media don't can away some lot of people the way they talk, they do inspirational talk about relationship and marriage. Pick the good part them for day. Not always pick the bad one. No always some of them are looking at the 50-50 side. 50-50, or na 50-50, na 50-50. No. No. Pick the good sides and forget the bad one. Now only you will bring peace for your marriage. It worked for me. I did it and it worked for me successfully till today. I believe in one of the secrets that will work through for you. My story, my married life. Now one of the things that I need to feel bad for sharing because for me not testimony. I need to feel, I know talk say oh the man be the mature, the man do this. No, my married life not testimony. I don't see the good, the bad, the ugly inside marriage. Today we they happily married, not because we never pass through our own temptation. We don't pass through. I don't tell no. So we don't even be for time we need talk. Yes. We don't be for time the way we need talk for one another. We don't even be for time the way I don't go carry my ring then the work of say I want find play work for sell them. Yes, all my rings them. I take my engagement, take my ring, work of find play for sell them. We don't even reach to that point. We don't reach for all those points then. So if today we get peace, we they happy. Not because people will say no, which will never pass. No. I don't see thinking for marriage. First of all, I felt married over young. My husband to marry away, no. For me, I don't look at say no be no about marriage. Whether I be just married, whether I be the things for marriage to own, wait till me happen. I don't know me why I be married. Because I used to act sometimes. I remember that in those days I used to get misunderstanding. I used to act so they force you. So man be tired your hands to me marry. You must marry. That's why I used to asking. And now I don't pass that age when I ask that question. I say they be force you for come marry me. I should not be quiet now. You can't fucking find me. Now you will talk say if you don't marry me, you don't ever marry. Now I don't accept for marry you get cancer the marry house again and one trouble or the other. But all those things they happen for me now because God will want use me for the area. God will know say if so that when person be a problem, for can explain me a situation where to go through for a marriage house, I go feel know how for handle them because I don't pass through. I don't pass through. I don't pass through problems. Next time my marriage house, my man go pack self come out, pack it back go. Yes, I don't pass through all those things. They will pack it back come out for house. Yes, I don't pass through. So no situation not do you will tell me about marriage. I never pass through. Not cheating inside relationship. I never pass through. I don't pass through. Now cheating where I never passed through. I was saying my husband cheated on me, I never passed through. I don't pass through. So nothing. No day you can't tell me about relationship where I never passed through. Nothing. But what keep me going? Now God and the secret for get peace inside my home. Now it keep me going. I find happiness within. I find happiness for my own self. Because the mistake of the maker that will struggle make the man give you happiness. No. No struggle. You will create your own happiness. You will create your happiness. And happiness is from within. Happiness is not about a man making you happy. No. It's from within. You will create your own happiness. And your own happiness is how? For make peace around your environment. For make your environment be a peaceful place. For make your environment not be a place where you fight and nagging and shouting and this. No. You can create peace from within. Start to change yourself. Start to change your attitude. Start to change the things you do. Start changing your own self. Stop trying to change somebody. Now, one of the messages that I will talk about, especially for social media here today, people they struggle for change people. We can only talk to them, but God, Holy Spirit will change them. Now, why they say I will talk, say, oh, minimum must apologize. Don't force people to apologize. Apology comes from within. I think I start to be sorry deep in my heart. I'm not sorry. Forgiveness comes from within. Apology comes from within. Don't force people. The same thing goes with relationship. No force person. No force your husband to change. Change yourself. Change yourself. Change your own self. Yes, God don't talk. Apology comes from inside. Change yourself. Don't force people to change. Not the talk say, oh, the man must do so. No. Nobody must do so. Nobody must. No. Nobody must. You know the president was on country where one talk say the Queen of England go talk say, oh, they give bank or they say, oh, man must stay for inside house. Or they get they begin locked down. Government give an authority. You are not one of them. Pass your message out there and leave the Holy Spirit for make people change. Leave the Holy Spirit for make people take a positive decision to change. Just the same thing with your marriage. It's the same thing with your marriage. Stop for the one push. Say the person must change. Stop for the one talk. Say the man must change. The woman must change. No. No. Change yourself. I tell Una because when I be married, I be get that attitude and that character because I be feel. I always repeat I'm gonna a good testimony for most of Una. For most of Una, where Una the one where Una days are married house then today. That my situation a good testimony. Learn from it. When I be married, I be believe number one, I be get on my I come up for a home. A home, what they call home. Some of us come up for home. Hey, the day after. Some of us come up for home. We not come up for breaking home. I come up for home where my papa and my mommy legally married, born all we come up for home. So then I can't marry a man who come up for a breaking home. Where in mommy and papa they not be ever married. So if it give me that mentality for my head, say he don't know anything about marriage. So when he be marrying me, the only thing I was thinking is he has to change because me I the one teaching her how married day because I the one looking from the side where I come from. I the one looking from the side where I come from. I the one look and say, okay, me I come inside home, but he come out from a mommy were born in and papa they not be married. So for me, I look and I say, you don't know the meaning of marriage because you don't go inside home. You don't see our parents, two parents, they bring up a child. You don't see those things. Because if they mourn with your mommy, you don't be there with your papa. So I started to look and say, you don't know anything about marriage. So now I this is one struggle for daily how married man supposed to behave, which it was wrong. I didn't want to tell you married man supposed to behave. Oh, you don't know the thing. My papa be do na so. My papa be do na so. My papa be do na so. We. My papa. No. Now my papa. No be ye. Instead be do all those things and instead push it away. I dey do all those things and instead push it away. Because I don't want to be that controlling. I don't want to tell you how married get for work. I don't want me to work according to what me I want them. I need to give you the opportunity me exploit marriage. I need to give you the opportunity me learn inside the marriage. I need to give you the opportunity me learn how married, how couples will live together. I don't be to give you that opportunity. Because I want claims of I know. Since that's why I know your background, I know who side come on, I know how a family day, and now me I want to teach you how married get for worker. Ah, Bishop Benjamin. But when I can't discover, say that was not the right way. When I can't discover, say I instead of work now towards me, I instead of work on myself. I instead of change my own attitude, change my character, stop telling him what to do, change my own life, my lifestyle. He go start for change, and it works. I change. I be the best part. I be the woman where be the one where be one time. Because that time that I be married, I know be that woman where one time. I know you never want a woman where want tell you what to do. You never want a woman where want nag on you. You never want a woman where want the question in left right center. You never want a woman when you did for some place call it a 20 something time. You didn't want all those things. I know be only come when the picker start ask question. What you do for day, what you know do for day. No. I start to change myself, change my character, change my attitude, change the things I do, change the way I look, change everything about me. As I change, that's when my husband to start change. As I change, that's when he start change. The more I change, the more he love me. The more I change, the more he love me. The more I change, when for that first time of your marriage, if you don't wake up hates me. I don't like if he hates me. Because of my character and attitude. Not because say the woman where the beauty will be married, I don't change. No. The beauty was still there, but my character and attitude will not be show you how he want cope with me inside of my house. Yes. My character and attitude, nobody make it for things say he really want the marriage. The only thing we did for her now for divorce, for change, for go out of the marriage. That was all in my husband's head. But when I start change, I start walk now as a woman of God. I start walk now, follow the things of God, follow the things of God, follow the things of God. Follow the way a married woman is supposed to be that virtuous woman. I start go back again for look how my mommy no be the answer my papa anyhow, how my mommy no be the talk for my papa, how my mommy and my papa never quarrel. I start look that side them. I start change my own self. Change my character, change my attitude. Because that one I be over fine though. Now my other two I talk, I be when I ask people for belt to the tell I be coming I be beautiful. I be get figure 8. And even till now, whatever I hear someone say, do I not get waistline? This I do get the laugh. If I stand for their front, if I stand for their phone, forget picture, all those things. I stand for their phone for normal daytime. You know, stand with me. So I'm doing imagine why I be young. Then I'm just not say about day. I don't be only young, I don't be only fine, I be hard working. I know how to find money. I remember that they South Korea when they can't come money and they get money for them my young age they come me. What they South Korea. I know how to find money. Say Nigerian men they begin Nigerian boys they begin talk about this. No, I know be Cameroonian, so I be Nigeria. I know how to find money. So I be know so I get all for me, I just know so I get all the quality. I know for cook, I know for sex, I know for find money, I know I be hardworking. So for me, I know so I overdo. I know so I too much. But thank God for my husband. My husband made me change. He made me calm down. He made me a slow down for Jesus. The worst one a person when he talk, I say he make me a slow down for Jesus. That my over carry skin, that my over fine, that my over things are over day. He make me a slow down for Jesus. I just say if the talk for you, I said, "Do man don't know me fine no." I just say because they talk for you, I say they get this so if he's a married thing, so that you don't know me fine. I strong he pass it. Ah, I say make me I calm down for Jesus. I want change, so I need to look back. I changed because I began to keep safe my marriage. I changed because I love the man way I deal with. I changed because I want to be a good example for my picking them. And why that I change? I change because I know want my daughter tomorrow me it affective for your own marriage where you want to enter. I change because of lots of reasons. I change because I want to give a good example for the youth to them tomorrow. I change. I change. God and don't talk something for you. God and talking. Now lie. God did not be every woman to be submissive when they truly love your husband. Now lie. So when they did love their husband, but they don't know the meaning of submissive. Some women they truly love their husband, but they don't know the meaning of submissive. They don't know. It's not like me. I don't just put example for me. That I'm married, I don't be submissive. But don't be saying I don't love my. I be love my husband to mad. I be love my husband to work up. Me. Ask my story. They will tell you now. For Belgium, when my man there for some place, if I enter, if he stand with the girl, they say work at the go because it slap, at the jump up, slap the girl. I was not submissive. That's not the way for a wife to behave. It means that somebody love the man. I be love the man, but I be insecure. I did not know who I am. I did not know the powers I carry. I did not know the type of woman I was. I don't get confidence for myself. Yes. It don't mean I not love the man. It don't mean I not love thee. They will know me. Ah, as I don't slap girls with the nightclub clothes. I slap it with the nightclub clothes. You know me fine. But was that the right way? No. But I wanted to say God really give Benjamin for me because he be really be patient for me. He be extremely patient. God really just take it so dash me. Because my character and attitude, I don't think say some other man for fit stand me. I just over the fight now every minute. Because I be very insecure. I be very insecure. You know, so you marry a small fine man, and then that's why you walk inside nightclub. Then you see girls them. I don't even enter nightclubs on that. I don't do some girls of this Poso Victoria because they sing music. He just take music microphone. He sing this song say I love you. That song where Kelly and Nelly singer. There is the singer the corner Benjamin name. Oh Jesus of Nazareth. Oh Bishop Benjamin I lost suffer. Yes. So I be very insecure. I don't be really know. I just feel say yes, he don't marry me, but I don't be still get that. I don't be still get that security. I don't be still feel say truly I will stay inside that marriage. I don't be still feel say yes, he's for me. He's for me. I don't be still that things they not be there. So if you make me now be, I don't be submissive. I be arrogant. I be looking for fighter for another way, but which all the ways I was doing was wrong. I be said to push it out of the house. So now when I just say my experience now a lot for help other young girls. Not ever feel say you over there. Not feel say the type, especially some of us will go good schools and PHS. They will meet that kind of boy. They're supposed to be doctors, lawyers. You know that kind of way you grow. So you think for your head, so you go marry now some kind of title kind man. Then now you can't finally find yourself for marry a DJ. Then you look at DJ say you can't school the way go, no be a kind level, your kind way, the kind way they bring you up, no be the way they bring it up. Then you start looking and say you over there. But when no. My husband called me down for Jesus. Hey. When I do that, my crazy, so it go like for 3 days, 4 days, I need to see back food. It go. It give 4 or 5 days safe. I need to see back food. We call any answer. Call 7 answer. The castle so that I can't enter right inside their club. So enter right inside their club. So I talk for any answer me. Yes. You know if you ever move your hand touch me, never. Baby they treat me for a way where I want to calm down. I need to look good. Yes. Sometimes in day. No feel say you over there. I mean no say over there. And that over there still there for my head to not to say don't change. I bet I will leave una for that or go finish the story today. I thank all my we don't join now. People how do they call it? Voice of the voiceless, you go live. Man, not take the time for a live show. Moon, I go watch a live show for YouTube. Voice of the voiceless, they go live now. I think they get a lot for talk. And all these people, the way they misunderstand, especially my picking dopers. Say dopers insult people. Dopers is not insulting anybody. When I stop order, when I think the Cameroonians, when I never want to talk the truth, when I know how the insult starts, when I know the genesis of the insult, when I stop for the blind, when I hide, when I know the people, the way they insult people for social media, when I know the genesis of fake profile, I know the people, the way they start for do fake profile, when I know all those things. But when I don't decide, because when I feel so, when I want paint Benjamin Black, when I want drive everybody around me, I don't just say that my followers and me, I prefer to get 2 correct people than forget 1 million where they be nonsense. So now the thing that thank you now all so much. Thank everybody who don't watch this program. Cameroonians will not get for always be truthful to ourselves. Thank you, Golden. Be truthful. God, darkness no ever overcome light. We are the lights and will always live for shine because God don't put that light for we. The earlier we not change can become light, the better. Depression is real and it's all over social media. Create happiness within, inside your house. Join me tomorrow live. Learn a lot about love. All we now claim love out there. When I join me tomorrow, get a lot to talk about love tomorrow for evening time. I believe we'll get one of the best programs. Me all we go join Voice of the Voiceless and see a message we get on for blog and today. We will leave all now, but now we'll just make our short prayer. Oh, merciful everlasting Father, Father, we thank you for this day of today. We thank you, Lord, for everything that is happening. We thank you that this message will touch the life of so many that will watch it. The people that are going to watch this message today, let this message be a blessing for them in the mighty name of Jesus. We thank you, Father, for everything. We ask all this in Jesus' mighty name. Amen.